يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته.
وأما الحديث الرابع
As for the fourth hadith,
فإنه يبين عملية خلق الجنين في بطن أمه.
it explains the process of how an embryo is created in the womb of its mother.
وهو 40 يوما نطفة.
It begins as 40 days of just being like a drop of semen.
ثم مثلها علقة، ويقصد بالعلقة أي شيء صغير معلق كقطعة دم.
And then it's 40 days as a clot of blood.
ثم يكون مضغة أي بقدر اللقمة بعد 40 يوما.
And then after 40 days it becomes like a morsel of flesh, like the size of a bite.
وبعد هذه المراحل الثلاث
And after these 3 stages,
يرسل الله إليه الملك
Allah sends an angel to it,
فينفخ فيه الروح
and he blows into it its soul,
ويكتب له 4 أشياء.
and he writes down 4 things concerning it.
رزقه
His risk, how much he will earn, his income, and how much money he will have.
وأجله متى سيموت.
How long he will live.
وعمله في الدنيا.
And all of the works that he does in this world.
وشقي أم سعيد.
And whether he'll be wretched and go to the fire or be happy and go to paradise.
ثم بين أن الرجل يعمل بعمل أهل الجنة.
And then he says that a man will do the works of the people of paradise.
وهنا يقصد بالرجل أي الشخص سواء كان رجلا أو امرأة.
And here by the word man he means a person, whether they be male or female.
فما يبقى بينه وبين الجنة إلا ذراع.
So this person will do the works of the people of paradise until there's only an arm's length between him and paradise.
والذراع هنا بقدر اليد.
And dhira here means like a hand, like the length of a hand.
ومعنى يسبق عليه الكتاب.
And the meaning of يسبق عليه الكتاب, the book will overcome him, is that
أي أنه سيظهره الله على حقيقته.
is that Allah will manifest this person's true self.
فيعمل بما يعمل به في سريرته.
And so he will outwardly, or he will do what he does inwardly, in secret.
فإن كان سريرته صالحة دخل الجنة.
So if his secret, what he does in secret is righteous works, then he will enter paradise.
وإن كانت سريرته باطلة أو عاصية دخل النار.
And if his inward secret works are disobedience or...
To be the first to receive more great videos like this as they're released, click that subscribe button. Also, to take a course and increase your knowledge, go to Kiflayn.com.